Alright, still working on this 2008 Taurus X. And if you need to replace your rear antenna, you know, it's roof mounted. If yours is broken or got mangled somehow and you need to completely replace it, you have to get to it from inside here. You'll have to, you know, remove your light back here, which is basically a matter of just prying it down. You know, you can fit your finger in here, or you can fit a, you know, a decent instrument here, poke up in there and just pry down. However, you're going to have to also pull down some of the head lining back here, which is just a matter of just prying it down. And, you know, if you want to just pry some of this interior trim down some, you just got to kind of be forceful with it and just get it away from its little holding clips. See how it's just sort of clipped up in there. As well as, you know, if you want to remove this light. But to get to everything, see up in there, that blue and black wire is for the antenna. Hard to see, so bear with me. Okay, that's where it mounts to the roof. That silver piece right there, straight ahead. And so, you know, remove this guy here just by forcefully prying it down. Then there's this little guy here that you just basically just feed out of that hole. You know, it just gives the light something to grab onto with its little hooks. There's no tools or anything, you know, no screws or anything involved. Okay, so this just sort of, you have to feed it down through the hole. This basically allows you, oh, and also bear with me here. You'll have these three big plastic screws right here and here and here that hold the headliner in place. And I pried them out just with my hand and my favorite little big plastic remover tool there. But you can, you know, use, you have to be kind of forceful to get those little plastic screws out of there. Well, they're pretty big actually. They're almost this big around, as big as my finger. Anywho, look up in this hole here. If I can get some light going on, hang tight. All right, got me a flashlight here. All right, see that right there? That is where the antenna comes through the roof. Okay, and it's held on by this little 10mm bolt. So you'll need a little short 1/4 inch, you know, tin, and you can feed your hand up in there. You know, you can fit, you can get your hand up in there. See it like that? Loosen that screw all the way. Then the roof part of the antenna can be removed, you know, from the other side. That right there will come up through the top of the roof. Then you can replace it. It has a couple of little wires. I know it's a little difficult to see here. There are wires that fit to the side of that little mount right there. And then there's a, you know, the entire, if you're replacing the entire antenna, you'll see it comes with, you know, the new base and everything. So it's pretty self-explanatory as far as that goes. But and then to put it all back in place, you know, you got to feed. Once you put the antenna from the roof and put that nut back on and all that, you can kind of push up with this here to hold the nut in place, you know, with a wrench underneath it. Then you got to, you know, all this, putting the light back in, putting this base back in. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's all clipped in place. Then you have to feed your hand through this way to hold that, to hold this in place here so that you can clip that light back in. So there you go.